there, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. We're going to be making fluffy pancakes today, guys. Let's dive directly into the recipe. The first thing is to mix your dry ingredients together. Put 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour in a bowl. Add 3 teaspoons of baking powder. This is to help your pancakes rise. Add a pinch of salt. Add 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. This is optional. Mix. Keep this aside. Get another bowl. Put 1 1/4 cup of milk in your bowl. Add 1 egg. Add 1/4 cup of melted butter. Add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. This is optional too. Mix everything up. Add your liquid mixture to the flour mixture. Mix everything up. Keep this aside and heat up a skillet or a frying pan. Use butter to fry. You can also use vegetable oil to coat the surface of your pan. Use a 1/4 cup to scoop out your butter and fry. So when you notice that the top of your pancake has formed bubbles, flip the sides. Colorful and beautiful. Fry again for approximately half a minute and then you remove. Continue to fry. Enjoy with some honey as usual. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys had a nice time with me in the kitchen today. I appreciate all your likes, comments and subscriptions. Stay glued, guys. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.